Hi, my name is Michael Levinson, and today I'm going to talk about the assault case process in California. Being arrested on assault charges can be a harrowing experience. You may feel fearful, anxious, or even angry, but understanding the assault case process in California, from arrest to exoneration or sentencing, can help you feel more prepared for what lies ahead. A skilled attorney can explain what you'll likely face as your case moves through the criminal justice system, answer your questions, provide advice about the procedures, and evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of your case. An experienced assault attorney will represent you during negotiations and litigation, seeking mitigation efforts, pursuing a dismissal or favorable resolution, or even taking your case to trial. Mitigating factors are circumstances that can reduce the severity of a case, even if some evidence works against you. These factors are important when determining whether your assault case will be charged as a misdemeanor or felony. Examples include your age, employment, military service, education, or the circumstances leading up to the assault. Other factors, like whether the assault was sexual in nature, the extent of the alleged victim's injuries, prior charges, and the severity of the allegations also play a role. Felonies carry more severe consequences, including state prison time and parole supervision, while misdemeanors can result in county jail time and probation. Both types of convictions can have long-lasting effects, such as immigration consequences, loss of gun rights, and restrictions during supervision. A qualified attorney can review the evidence against you and advise on potential outcomes and strategies for your case. California Penal Code Section 240 defines assault as an unlawful attempt to inflict violent injury on another person. If you're arrested, it may be based on a warrant or probable cause, depending on the available evidence. Probable cause means there's enough evidence to pursue the case, but not necessarily enough to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Just because you're arrested doesn't mean the case is lost. Your attorney can help you navigate the process and protect your rights. Under California law, you must be charged and arraigned within 48 hours of arrest, excluding Sundays and holidays. If the 48 hours expires when the court isn't in session, it extends to the next judicial day. If you aren't arraigned in this time frame, you could be released with a citation to appear later. At the arraignment, the judge will read the charges against you. The district attorney decides whether the charge is a misdemeanor or felony, based on factors like injuries or the use of a weapon. Your attorney will enter a plea of not guilty at this stage, as this is the first step in fighting the case. If you're facing felony charges, you're entitled to a preliminary hearing. For misdemeanors, there's no preliminary hearing. At the preliminary hearing, the judge decides whether there's enough evidence to move forward with the charges. The results of this hearing could lead to charges being dropped, reduced, or additional charges being added. It's an important step because it gives your attorney a chance to review the evidence and testimonies, which can be used in your defense later. Following the preliminary hearing, if the judge decides to proceed, the district attorney will file an information, and a second arraignment will occur. From there, pretrial motions will be argued by your attorney. These motions can ask the court to suppress evidence, dismiss charges, or release certain evidence. During this time, your attorney will conduct further investigations, gather evidence, and interview witnesses to build your defense. Many assault cases can be resolved without going to trial. With the help of an experienced attorney, it's possible to get a felony charge reduced to a misdemeanor, avoid prison time, and mitigate other serious consequences. Whether the case goes to trial depends on the evidence, the facts of the case, the severity of the alleged crime, and the potential consequences if convicted. Your attorney will advocate for you in and out of court, making you aware of any mitigating factors and the best defense for your situation. If you've been arrested for assault, having a knowledgeable attorney in your corner is crucial. An experienced lawyer can guide you through the process, protect your rights, and help you achieve the best possible outcome. Reach out today for a consultation.